You may be wondering if you can unlock the Pixel 8a without the password. Unfortunately, this is not possible. The reason why is in my videos for hard resetting, we can remove the password if we forget it, but we have to do a full factory reset, number one. And number two, after the factory reset, it will ask you for the original Google account. So if you own the phone, you are the owner, you can enter in your Google login and regain access. And if you stole the phone, then you are locked out. That is just done to prevent thieves. But think about this. If we could unlock the phone without the password, then the thief could do the same thing. And then the thief has access to your photos, messages, everything. Okay, so because thieves exist, unfortunately, that means that you can't regain access to your Pixel 8a without losing data. In fact, you have to lose everything and set from scratch. But the good news is if you do have a backup that you set in the past, that should restore a lot of data. So I hope this helps.